Hello everyone and good afternoon. I hope everyone's doing well today. I wanted to do a new video today. I had an idea. I was um, texting with my friend on Royalty King, um, and I had an idea of doing a video, agitation video, with the Riccar Tandem Air R40P and with the Kirby Avalier 2 vacuum system. Um, we have some rice, dog hair, and we have dog hair from George. Oh, that's a lot of hair. I'm looking at the camera on the phone to make sure I got in the shot. we have rice and the little black Ricard, my favorite one that I've been using all the time. I took the bag and it has like a couple of junk in it, so I thought we could probably put that on the video as well. Okay, we gotta put this thing together. I made a video on this vacuum a very long time ago. It's a good machine, but I haven't been using it much. The reason I don't really use it that much is because I love to use attachments. And with George, because George, he throws so much hair all over the place. And I comb him and everything, but he just continues to shed. He's just a corgi. He sheds like crazy, like a golden retriever, I guess. Let's put this Kirby together and see. I want to do like a rice, do dirt from the vacuum bag, and I want to do corgi hair on one too. And I also want to see the agitation, see the bounce effect. I put it on top of this rug, this you know, the regular rug I always use, but it has like a rubber backing on here for me and George, it won't slip. And this has a rubber backing too. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's put this thing together now real quick. I'm sure it's easy to put together. I haven't used this vacuum in a long time. It's been like more than 2 years. Oh wow, what's that on the floor? It's like, what is that? It's like salt or something. Hold on, there's something here on the floor. Look at this. Hold on, let me get that up. Because I don't want George to eat it. Wherever that came from. Well, oh, there he goes. I have a Mila triplex. Like a silver or something. I use my Mila triplex to take care of that little situation we had there. Okay, let's stick to planning because I don't want him to. I try to take care of him, you know. Okay, so this is the bag for the Mila. I mean, for look, it's coming out the Kirby. Didn't we change the bag on this vacuum? We're gonna have to change the bag on this because I don't want. What is that though? No idea. Did I do an agitation test video on this vacuum? I don't even remember. You know what? I think that's carpet powder. That's oh God. Oh heavens. Look at that. You guys see that? What in tarnation? I could have swore I put a new bag on the machine before I right? Oh God. Hold on, friends. I'm sorry. These are real-time videos. I don't edit nothing. I don't edit anything. Let's get a bag real quick. 1 second. Just give me a second. Garbage. Yeah, I don't even know what happened. Georgie, be careful. I don't want you to get hurt. George, be careful, because I think this is Auric carpet powder. So that the agitation says on this. It's like a quickie vacuum. It's not like a. It's pretty good though. Actually, I don't know, right? the Kirby. I use this most of the time to whip around real quick. I've been using a Henry cordless that I have. I've been playing with that vacuum. Put this bag on this piece real quick. Yeah, I like the look of this Kirby. This Kirby's really nice. I bought it, supposedly they said it's used once. When I bought it a long time ago, little friends. I paid like 900 bucks, I think it was for. But these things are expensive. And it said on the box $14.99 with all the 15 attachments, and then $2.49 for multi-surface system, which we have too. You know, we always get them with everything. And the zip brush was $49, which they sent it to me, but I had to tell the guy because I emailed. When I opened the box, it was missing that zip brush, and I wanted that zip brush like to do the pillows and things like that. This was before I had George, but I like things complete. And then he sent me the zip brush, and then I ordered the Miracle Shine Kit myself. So 900 bucks, and that thing 1700. It was like new. I was like, that's a value. I thought so at that time. Now this thing is old, I think. I hardly use it. Wait till you see the condition it's in. You'll be able to tell. Anyway. Okay. I can't believe I put it away with a bag full of dirt. I didn't even notice. I must have not noticed. I don't like to do that because the vacuums get like an odor sometimes. Like the Henry, for example, the Henry, I used to use it to clean my other Audi, my other wagon, and the Maxine too, the Maxima, and I don't know, it had like a nasty, like old musty car smell. I don't know. Anyway, okay, let's take the handle out. This is not that hard to put together. See, it looks really good, right? Looks really good. And the handle is here, right? I like this vacuum too. I'm shocked I really don't use it that much, but the only reason I don't use it is, like I said, I like to use attachments, and forget it, I had the luxury with this and with the R25P as well. So I've been using those machines the most, to be honest. Now this seems like a nice day today, but they said it's like a air watch. You gotta watch out for the air. I don't know. I always thought you needed a tool for this, but I've seen on videos that people just go like this and it tightens, and it does. Actually, you don't have to really go crazy. See? Tighten right up. Okay, now let's get this little engine out. I'm not going to use the tools. We're just going to do an agitation test here. Vacuum's a little heavy, even though it's like the newer model. I guess if the dog is good, don't change the design, you know? Look at all this stuff in here. I have to use the Riccar to clean this box out. I'm going to clean this vacuum up before we put it away again. I don't know how I put that away like that. It must have been in the way or something, and I just thought, I'm going to take it out and clean it, and I forgot I did. I didn't. I never do this like this. I like to put them away clean. It's like a little, no, it's not. See, it looks good, right? Not all scratched up or anything. It has a couple of little thingies, but that's from me. I did use it a while. For a while I used it. I used it maybe like, no, I used it up more than a couple times. I used it like, I vacuumed before George I used to vacuum maybe like twice a week. And I don't really walk in the house with shoes or anything, so if it picks up anything, it's like little dust. I try not to walk in the house with shoes. Okay, so the Kirby's put together. I want to see how this is like. I think this is like the competition to for a car. I think to me. Okay. I'm gonna lay this box down because of the situation. There's dirt in there. We're gonna vacuum that out. What's this? George is curious. Curious George. See if it's working. I think we need a belt change. I think I even left the belt on it. Don't worry, we're prepared. I think it's easy to change on this. Oh, the scissor. George is there. Yeah, I left the belt on it. Uh-oh. Did this wrong. So like this, this. This one has that brush roll. That newer one. The belt has to come off like this. Man, it's dirty too. Before I put it away, I'm gonna polish it up and stuff. I'm gonna leave it out. I gotta go with my friend real quick too. Look at this stuff. You see what this vacuum does? Look at this. See? Look at all that dirt. Look at this. Look. See all that dirt? I don't know how they do that like that. I don't like that. With the Riccar, I don't really see that like that. But I don't really change the belt on the Riccar anyway, because the belt is but I did open it to change the. Look at that too. I think that's because of the fluffy rugs. I gotta make sure I put these back on number 1. What the hell was it on? Yeah, I think number 1, like that. Oh God. Yeah, number 1. This is number 1. Like this. Because the Kirby has 3 settings. 1, 2, and 3. As the brush roll wears, that's when you change the factory Kirby belt. It's just old. Been put away in a while. The Kirby's, right? You put 1, 2, and 3. As the brush roll wears, that's when you raise it up. So since this vacuum's still like new, we gotta make sure we put it on 1. Well, then that's 3. That looks like 1 right there, right? That looks like two right there. Hold on. One. That's one right there. One there. That's one. One. Then there's three. And there's two. I'm guessing that's one right there. One. Okay. Alright. Got this going. I think. Okay. I don't know how to edit the videos, or else I would edit them real beautiful for y'all. I was talking to my friend about it too. My doctor friend at work. He was telling me that I should put videos on Instagram and TikTok and do like shorts, he said. My doctor friend. Wait a minute, we did this wrong. Hold on. Said that it'll be cool if I do it like that too. I do it for fun anyway, but it'll be cool if, you know, we end up going viral. Right? That'll be cool too. George will go viral. Qué lindo, George, my little Rottweiler. Okay, let's see now. Now the belt should the way it's supposed to do. Let's see. I want George to get that. Oh, let's get rid of this belt too. Man, that belt's really stretched. George, take me down, baby. That was pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. That was like Riccar level agitation, I think. Oh my god. Do we have a... Oh my god, right? That was crazy. Kirby's crazy. The Kirby has good agitation. Okay, George, we're gonna do the test now, okay? Let's do... I just called him George before. Let's do some George here. Hold on. Put the camera. I want it to see though. I want y'all to see what's going on. How did I do it the last time? I think it was like this, right? I showed everything. I'm messing this camera up. I think you could do it. I think you could. I think I could control it on a phone. Okay. I think we got it. A little upper, right? Right. It's good right there. Alright. I'm gonna have the dog here. I just called him George. Look at this. This all came out of his right now. Can't believe it. This guy's a little Furminator. Toca mucho pelo, George. And I'm not gonna lie, I haven't combed them like in 2 weeks. I'll tell you the truth, I'm not gonna lie. He has an appointment with the groomer. Pero I don't remember. Pero they usually text you the day before. You have to take them, so that's alright. It's down the street, it's not far. It's at the river edge. Okay, that's George here, right? I want to see if we can find a different angle. George, don't eat your furries, okay? Lindo. Okay. He's gonna eat the hair. He eats everything. George, watch out, baby. Okay, we're gonna do this here. Espérate, George. George, echa para allá. It's just a hole. Okay. I don't know. Let's put a lot, right? I want to see this Kirby jump. Like crisscross. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Crisscross to make it jump, jump. There's gotta be a better way to put this camera. And then I'm gonna put that camera like this. Espérate. Let's put some vacuum bag junk too. This video is taking forever. I'm so sorry. We brought a scissor for this. Let's see. Oh God. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at all that crap. Oh my God, it's in the air. I want to put the Dyson on high, but oh my God, look at this. Where the hell? Oh, because I remember I buried I planted a new plant. And all the plant stuff is in here, I think. The stuff spilled from the plant on the floor. Alright, let's see what the curb can do. There's a way to put this camera. We're gonna find out now. You know what? That's a good shot right there. I ain't gonna lie. Don't you go like this? There we go. Look, we got it. I know how to use it. You could do it on the phone. Meanwhile, I've been trying to break the thing. Okay, let's see how it does it. We're gonna go now with the test. Vamos a ver la Kirby ahora. Vamos. Hold on. picking up the rice. I don't know if I was doing something wrong, but I didn't like the way it turned out. The rice was getting snow plowed. I had it adjusted right, and then I had to change the adjustment. So now let's do it. I call it record the beast. Let's see. We're gonna do this again. It picked everything up. The dog hair and everything real nice. But I don't know. Right? Okay. We're gonna see now. We're gonna see if this does any better. This one has a used bag in it, so I'm not gonna put a new one. Or should I put a new one? Yeah, there's not much in it. We'll check it and see. I think the king of agitation is the Riccar. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna see now. We're gonna see. Let's see if it makes that match.